Jenny Bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my crafty friends, today I'm going to show you guys how I put together this little cute, adorable little small espresso cup with some goodies that I added inside as a little gift, little baggie. So it's very simple to make. I want to show you guys how I made it. I kind of wrapped these three already because I'm kind of like trying to finish these, but I have one more to do and I want to show you guys how it looks. It looks so cute. So what I used for this project is these little tiny espresso cups that I found at Marshall's. These were so cute. I had to grab them. They came in a set of 4. They came in a little box like that. A set of 4 espresso cups. They're adorable. You get one that says let's see, this one says hello Santa, and then this one has those cute little Christmas stockings on it. If you guys want to see what these actually look like, go into my Instagram and I'm gonna be posting some pictures of before and after so that you have an idea of how these looks. These are super adorable. But let me show you how I put them together. So simple. So what I used is, again, these little espresso cups that are just adorable. And what I did is I used some of these like Christmas shred papers in here. I got these at Dollar Tree. And look at that. They're Christmas paper shred. I added some in here just to give it a little bit of a lift. And I'm going to add these really yummy, this is a sugar cookie lip balm. These lip balms are so freaking awesome. I got these at Marshall's and they came in a set of 6, which is perfect for like stocking stuffers or for like some like little goodies that you want to give to your coworkers or family. These are perfect because you get 6 of these in one little box. And so I'm using these to add to my little espresso cup. All right, and they come in different flavors. Like this one is almond vanilla. This one has winter mint. The one I'm using here is sugar cookies, and these are just really fun, adorable little lip balms for Christmas. So I'm going to add that in here. I'm also going to add these fun little chocolate ornaments that I found at my local supermarket, and they look like these. These are just really super fun, ready to hang ornament chocolates. I love these. They're so cute, and I thought these would be perfect to add in here. So I'm gonna add one of these adorable little chocolates in here, and then the last thing that I added was these 2 Hershey's Kisses. I can't really fit much in here because these are like really tiny espresso cups. But I thought that a little bit of something would be nice to just kind of give it a little bit of a nice look to the little cup. I thought this was really cute. And so I just love the way it turned out. And that's literally how I'm going to be gifting these little espresso cups. I'm going to show you how I pack them up like this so that it can look really presentable and very simple. So what I used is these treat bags from the Dollar Tree. Very simple, very affordable. And I basically just wrapped them with these treat little baggies. I love the way these little treat bags look. I think they look so beautiful and pretty. Very Christmas inspired. So pretty. So I'm going to add my little espresso cup in here, and what I use to wrap it is some Christmas twine. Okay, so we're going to wrap this around with some Christmas twine. Pretty tight so that it doesn't go anywhere. Okay, let me cut this out here. And then I'm just gonna go on the back, and then I'm gonna go on the front again. I'm gonna tie it again, and I'm just going to make a nice little bow. And that's literally how I'm going to be gifting these little espresso cups. See? Literally, that's all. I'm gonna add also a little charm. These little charms, I got these charms at Target a very long time ago. I'm gonna probably say about maybe 2-3 years ago. I bought a whole bunch of these really fun wine charms for Christmas. This one says Holiday Hero, Santa Helper. They're just different little beautiful cute wordings for Christmas. This one says Head Elf. This one says wine, a winter wine. It's just fun, really fun little charms. I love these charms. So I'm going to add one of these charms to my little espresso little baggie. And the one I'm going to add for this one is called, it says Santa's Helper. I thought that was so cute. These little wine charms are just adorable. And I find that you can probably get these. I've seen these at Marshall's. Maybe not Christmas like this kind of style, but I have seen charms that look similar to this in either Marshall's or TJ Maxx. Even Home Goods. Okay, try those places. You can also create your own little charm, wine charm if you want to. All right, so I'm just going to wrap this around my little baggie. And literally, I'm done. So the only thing I'm going to do is this little leftover right here. I want to actually tape it because I don't like the way that looks. So I'm just going to pull it back and I'm just going to use a little bit of tape. And I'm just going to tape that back like that so it can kind of look pretty. And literally, that is all I'm going to be doing for these adorable little, just super cute little espresso baggies. How adorable are these baggies? I love the way they turned out. They're so much fun. I think my coworkers are going to love it, and I just think they're so cute. So if you want to see what these charms say, this is the one which says Santa Helper on it. This one says Festive Red. This one says Christmas Cheer Captain. And this one says Head Elf. So cute. I love these. All right. I hope that you guys enjoy watching me make these adorable little espresso cups. And I hope that you got some inspiration. All right, my loves. I will see you guys on my next video. Make sure you follow me on Instagram if you want to see more posts on these cute, adorable little espresso cups and more projects also. I also took pictures of these before so you can see what they look like. And I hope that you guys get some ideas and some inspiration. I love you all and I'll see you soon. Bye, honey bunnies.